Today we are going to learn about the combined arithmetic mean, and combined arithmetic mean of two or more groups are calculated by finding the sum of the value of all the observation of all the groups and then dividing the sum by total number of the observation in all these groups. So if we have only two groups, then as per the definition, the formula will be n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2, means the arithmetic mean of that group multiplied by the total frequency of that group plus the arithmetic mean of second group multiplied by the frequency of second group divided by all sum of the frequencies of both the group, or we can say the sum of all the observation of in both the groups. So this is how we are going to calculate it, and if we have n number of groups, we'll do the same thing for n groups. So let's do it, let's understand it. So if we have question like this, which says the mean monthly wages paid to workers in two companies A and B are as below company A, company B. So in company A we have 320 workers, means the frequency of company A, and in company B we have 380 workers, means this 380 is the frequency of second group. What is the mean monthly wages paid to these workers in company A? 6,500, and in company B it is 7,000. So likewise we need to calculate the combined mean. So as per the formula, because we have two groups, company A and company B, we'll use this formula, and as per this formula, n1 is 320 multiplied by x1 bar, means the average monthly wages in company A, which is 6,500 plus 380 multiplied by 7,000 divided by the total number of observations, total number of workers. So this is 320 plus 380. This will be 47,40,000 divided by 700. We'll get 6,771.43 as the combined mean of monthly wages paid by both the companies. So we have another question here. The mean height of 24 boy student in a class is 175 centimeters, and the mean height of 26 girls students in the same class is 160 centimeters. Find the combined mean height of all the students in that class. This is a practice question for you. You need to solve it, and the answer must be 167.2. Practice well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.